Let's put stuff away from the dishwasher. What can you find? Where's the spoon? 2 spoons. Okay, can you bring them over here? Thank you. I'll put them in the right spot. What else can you bring me, Josh? The fork and the spoon. Okay. Thank you. Uh-oh, you dropped it. Here, I'll help you. That one got stuck. Here you go. Thank you. Oh, those are Josh's spoons. Which drawer did those go in? Can you get Josh's spoons and put them away? Oh, that's a fork. Let's see. The fork goes on the top drawer. Thank you. And where does Josh's spoon go? In the bottom drawer. Thank you. Oh, another one of Josh's spoons. Are you all done? Oh, we're going to leave those there, okay? Say bye-bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, are you pooping? I think you are. We'll let you poop.